Hot dang, we've got ourselves a winner here with ticker MINM. We had it on our Find It First scanner here at 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. Eastern time. Very low volume, ticker MINM at $2.61, 250,000 shares. This thing went all the way up to $14, guys. These are new scanners that I've worked very hard on for our group and for our team. Definitely keep these on watch. This is the Find It First alerts. You guys will hear me come in voice chat and let you know, hey, Find It First scanner is going off. Very low volume. It's time to maybe mark these charts. And this one here, low volume mark chart, 289. And guys, I think that was well worth it as it hit $14. Another alert that we have on that same scanner is ASNS. Let's take a look at this one. All the way up here, $8.59. And let me pull the scanner over again. ASNS was on this scanner, very low volume at $4.57. And we can see we don't have a whole bunch of BS alerts. It's focused in on high quality results only. That's our Find It First scanner. It was also on our low volume mark chart scanner, ASNS at $5.48, as well as MINM was our first alert this morning at 12:20 p.m. Eastern time, $2.75. And again, that one hit 14. This one hit 8.59 from our 5.48 and $4 alerts. That's our low volume mark chart scanner, our Find It First scanner. Love these scans, guys. I've worked very hard to get these to be high quality results and not a whole bunch of BS, because there's too much BS out there in the market. So I'll see you guys in chat. Thanks for watching.